Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Tiff Benson here, and you found yourself in the place to be to help you find fragrances that you love. Today is going to be a very special treat. It is a pleasure to bring you this video. I will be unboxing some Dior Beauty gift sets and we'll be trying out some makeup. I'll also be giving you a first impressions of La Collection Privée Christian Dior. I am obsessed. I hope that you enjoy this content because I surely do enjoy creating it for you. So without further ado, give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. If it's your first time here, turn on your notifications so that you can be notified when I post here on YouTube. And let's jump right into the video. So this portion of the video is going to be sponsored by Dior Beauty. I'm so excited to be partnering up with them on this video to share with you this amazing gift set. I had to unbox it here. I didn't want to do it privately. We're going to open it up together, so I'm very excited about it. I also have some fragrance goodies as well. So let's start with the makeup set first. This holiday 2023 makeup palette from Dior is a true work of art. From the intricate gold design inspired by the Tuileries Garden to the delicate engraving on the band, every detail has been carefully crafted to exude sophistication and elegance. But the beauty of this palette goes far beyond the exterior. The carefully crafted, curated shades of eyeshadow, lipstick, blush, and highlighting powder are a harmonious blend of seasonal colors that will take your makeup looks to the next level. And with the convenience of the double-ended applicators for eyes and lips, as well as a blush applicator, you'll have everything you need to create stunning looks from day to night. This, in my opinion, is the ultimate all-in-one makeup palette at the height of Dior elegance, a true must-have for any beauty lover. And now, my friends, it's time to indulge in the vibrant world of La Collection Privée Christian Dior, presented in the most stunning couture set from the house of Dior. The sophisticated packaging with the signature band and intricate weave detail is reminiscent of Dior's couture fabrics, which really provides a glimpse into the luxurious world of high-end fashion. This set of fragrance miniatures is a treasure trove of captivating scents that evoke an array of emotions. From the breezy floral essence of Lucky to the irresistible richness of Rouge Trafalgar, each fragrance will tell a distinct and captivating story. Whether you're collecting it for yourself or a gift to a loved one, this fragrance discovery set is an absolute must-have for anyone who is passionate about perfumes and captivated by exquisite scents. Thank you so much to Dior Beauty for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you're curious about these products, then definitely check out the description box right now. Also, make sure to check out the other gift sets that I'm linking down below in the description from Dior Beauty. I took a deep dive on their website and I found some of the most amazing gifts for men, women, skincare, makeup, beauty. You will just love them all. So definitely check out the links below and let's continue on with the rest of the video. Okay, so full transparency, I have smelled some of these fragrances in passing before, but not enough to know them and like memorize them in my head. So this is kind of going to be like a real first impressions of some of these scents. Like, I'm over the moon. I'm excited. I can't believe it. First fragrance that I'm going to try out here, it's called Jasmine de Jones. Just going to twist it open, their twist up caps. This is quite nice. I would describe it as like a fruity floral off of the bat. Looking at the notes here off camera, it has notes of bergamot, jasmine, apricot, peach. That is what I'm smelling for sure. Peach, apricot. There's also osmanthus flower, white musk, and vanilla. This is gorgeous. Angel jasmine, I'm assuming. It's quite nice. Very ethereal, fruity, flowery. Would totally wear this. Very happy to have it in my collection now. That one is beautiful. Let's move on to the next fragrance, which we have here. This is Oud Rosewood. Ooh, okay. Oody, maybe a bit leathery. Let's check out the notes. Okay. A woody, oody fragrance with notes of raspberry, sandalwood, animalic notes, which I'm wondering if that's leather. I don't know. For me, I'm getting a little bit of leather in there. Oud and rosewood. This is quite nice. I feel like this is a date night fragrance. I could easily see this being signature scent too. This is a little bit more forward and bold and powerful even. Loving this one. Definitely have to try this on the skin. I have to wear this for a full day and kind of really know what it's giving for sure. Rouge Trafalgar, which I will test for you and I will just share it with you, even though I have smelled it before in the past. It's definitely one of my faves. I actually plan on getting a full-size bottle of this someday for sure. Here's the presentation. She is beautiful, fruity, yummy, very sweet. This fragrance has notes of raspberry, strawberry, cherry, and mandarin, blackcurrant, grapefruit, musk, and patchouli. I have worn this in the past and I am obsessed with the dry down. You have to like musk, you have to like fruity, sweet scents, kind of playful, cute, adoring. That's how I would describe it. Certainly full bottle worthy, and it is next on my list to buy. Another oud fragrance that we have here, this is Oud Ispahan, and she is beautiful. I love these little miniature size bottles, super cute. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Oh, wait. This is a oud and rose fragrance. Notes here are lapdanum, patchouli, rose, saffron. Yes, that is what I'm smelling. Oud, cedar, and sandalwood. I love this. This is giving wearable oud rose fragrance. It's slightly mature leaning, very sophisticated, and quite lovely. Overall, I would define it as lovely. We're almost halfway done. We're up to Gris Dior, which I'm going to share with you. This is the bottle. I don't think I've smelled this fragrance before, so this is a first for me. First impressions, here we go. Okay. Woody, earthy even. This is really, really nice. Oh my gosh. I'm like dying over here. This is really nice. Okay. The notes of the fragrance are oak moss, rose, patchouli, bergamot, cedar, amber, and sandalwood. Gris Dior, which translates to Gris Dior. I love how fragrances can sometimes do that. They can smell like a color, and this one certainly does. There's almost like a cloudiness, almost a rainy quality to it as well. It's like woody, slightly earthy, but I don't know. It's quite modern too. Modern and powdery. Definitely excited to give this one a try and wear it. Yay, yay, yay. I have so many fragrances to try now. It's like, I feel like I hit the lottery. Next up, we have this baby right here. This is Ambre Nuit. Ambre Nuit. So let's see what this one smells like. I don't think I've smelled this one either. And I am sorry, don't judge me, but I'm learning. You know, this is how you learn. You test, you try, you smell, you learn. Ooh, hold on now. Let's check out the notes. Ambre Nuit. This is gorgeous. Ambre Nuit has notes of bergamot, grapefruit, rose, pink pepper, ambergris, which is one of my favorite notes. That musky, yumminess. I just love it. Guaiac wood, cedar, and patchouli. It's beautiful. It's really nice. It's kind of giving like a sensual night out vibe. Oh, God, that is great. I can't wait to wear that the next time I go out. Wonderful for this type of weather right now, the cooler weather. I would think too, I would wear that now-ish. Up next, we have Bois d'Argent, which translates to silver wood, I believe. And this is the bottle. Let's go ahead and smell it. I've never smelled this one either. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited to smell what this one smells like. Interesting. Okay. This is definitely an iris scent. I can tell right off the bat. Iris. Let's check out the notes. Okay. Fragrance notes are myrrh, iris, and musk. This is wonderful. This for me is like one of those scents that I would pick up on a day where I'm feeling like I just want to step into that minimalist energy. It's quite light, super wearable, something that I could wear in the office. Very much enjoying the musky nuances that are popping off of the scent strip. Wonderful. Now I have a new appreciation for Christian Dior fragrances. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, now so we have 3 more left, and up next is Eau Noir. Let's test it out. Let's see what we have here. Eau Noir translates to black water, and this smells very tea-like to me. Is this a tea scent? I don't know. Let's see. There's almost something like minty or thyme or something like that in the background. Let's see what the notes are. Sage. Oh, and thyme. Here we go. The notes are thyme, sage, lavender. Yes. Sage and lavender for sure. Coffee, Virginia cedar, saffron, licorice, vanilla, violet. Oh, wow. Leather. Oh, my gosh. This is changing. This is changing. It started off quite ethereal and almost kind of like some sort of herbal ritual happening with the lavender and sage and thyme. But now this is like going somewhere deeper and darker. Wow. I have to try this one on the skin. This is giving so much on paper that I know it's going to be completely different on skin. But I definitely enjoy that. Wow. Okay. Next one up, we have Cologne Blanche, which I'm assuming means white cologne. Okay. It's definitely citrusy. Citrusy, fresh, super wearable. One of those scents that, you don't have to think too hard about. Definitely smells to me like a cologne fragrance. Notes here are sweet almond, orange, bergamot, rosemary, Tunisian orange blossom, which I'm a huge fan of orange blossom. If you're a fan of this channel, then I'm obsessed with orange blossom. Vanilla, tonka bean in the base notes. This is like a fragrance that you just don't have to think about. Like, it's great, especially if you like fresh scents. Summer time, spring, for sure. I mean, possibly all year round if you love your freshies all year round. But that is also a beautiful one. It's quite nice. Oof. And here we go. Here's the grand finale. This is Lucky, and we'll try her on right now. See what she smells like. Okay, so my first impression of this is that it smells like bubblegum. What's in this that smells like bubblegum? Let's see. A white, fresh floral, green. Notes are lily of the valley, white flowers, and ozonic notes. This is wonderful. I could see Lucky being someone's wedding day fragrance. White florals always do that to me in a scent. It just reminds me of a wedding. I could definitely see this being someone's signature scent as well. This is gorgeous. It's quite beautiful and actually very glamorous as well. Wow, that is impressive. I'm stunned. I'm so happy. So we went through all of these amazing fragrances here. I hope that you enjoyed going through these fragrances with me because I enjoyed sharing them with you and giving you my first impressions. And it's an awesome experience to experience these fragrances. And I definitely have a greater appreciation for the Privée collection now. And I know that there are other fragrances in the Privée collection too, which now I'm super excited to try. So did you enjoy this video? If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up right now. Don't forget the conversation continues over at tiffbenson.com. That's where I am when I am not here on YouTube. So check out the description down below, sign up to my newsletter, and join the Tiff Benson family. Once again, thank you to the sponsors of this video, Dior Beauty. I love you forever. I am such a fan and have been such a fan for so long, and it is a true honor to partner up with you and share your beauty with my audience. Love you forever. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to watch what's up next. I appreciate your time on this channel. Again, all the products that I mentioned here in today's video will be linked down below. DM me if you have any questions. I am here for you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.